are 49 properties for sale at or over $1 million in Annapolis. This represents 35% of homes for sale. It's Friday, March 28, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis still has limited inventory, especially in price points that mirror the average household affordability. Inventory keeps on rising, and this report, we have 141 homes for sale in Annapolis, reflecting a rise of 38% from last year this same time. 21 properties are coming soon, which is 10.5% higher than last March. 33 homes went under contract in 10 days, this report, rising 1% from last year. 22 homes sold for 100.3% list to sold ratio, and in 6 days. Ironically, this is the exact number of homes sold 1 year ago this week. Rentals rose to 31 homes, rating consistently at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 28th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.